We are all aware now that in this era the progress is become an integral part of our lives. If not, it's become the orbital center of our existence. Paradoxically, as everything that arises from the progress is given for true, the man is losing his ability to think in front of a materialistic society that he can no more control. Everything that hails from the progress is given for absolute value, and the subject loses the ability to use in efficient way reading, writing, calculating, and critical capability in daily life situations. We are talking about the functional illiteracy, the new negative product of the progress. So, with the knowledge progress and with the acquisition of a new research method, it's the duty of the learned man to deny that's given for absolute. Several months ago, it caused sensation and received acceptance and notice about the fact that in the 27 August the planet Mars will be visible by naked eye great as the moon. The next time it will happen in 200 years. Incredible, but obviously not true. In this video we are going to prove that this will be nor possible, not now, nor never. So, to execute this demonstration, it's been adopted as a reference system, a system composed by three corps of a considerable mass, the Sun, the Earth, and Mars, and three bodies of unimportant mass, the Moon and the two Mars natural satellites, Phobos and Deimos, to achieve a best comprehension about effects on the corpse trajectories caused by the space's perturbation by an hypothetical presence of the red planet in a point P of the space such that Mars has the same apparent dimension of the Moon, or better, the same angular dimension. But let's start the simulation. As we can see in this position, Mars and Moon are approximately looks the same. But letting pass the time, as we can see, the two bodies are gradually approaching. This effect is caused by the intense force of gravity between Earth and Mars that increases exponentially. So the bodies will approaching more and more, causing the alteration of the other bodies' orbits, and ending, as we can see, with a big impact that crash our civilization. But nevertheless, we could not enjoy the sight, because we will be dead before, by the enormous cataclysms of land and sea caused by the gravity's derangement. So, thanks for watching and may the knowledge be with you.